Today I received a 10-inch ring light tripod delivered from Amazon. This tripod can be extended up to 7 feet. Its MRP is rupees 1999, but I got it for only 556. Since there is no user manual in this box, I will explain how to assemble it. Watch the video until the end without skipping anywhere. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and comment. Now let us get into the video without delay. Let us open the box. This is the cover for the LED ring light. When you open it, the LED ring light will look like this. This is its switch. It has 4 buttons like this. This is the cover for the stand. When we take it out of the cover, the stand looks like this. We can separate it in this way. To make the base strong, separate the legs like this. After doing that, this pole can be extended up to 7 feet. We can extend it up to 7 feet according to our need. This is an important component called a connector. This connector has 3 parts. The top is the male part, the bottom is the knob, and below that is the female part. Now we need to tighten this female part with the screw on the stand. Once tightened, we can fit the LED ring light into position we want. Tighten it like this so that we can rotate the ring light to any direction. This is the mobile holder. We open this screw and then fit this flexible arm into it. Fitting this flexible arm, it allows it to rotate from side to side. Then tightly secure the plastic screw to prevent it from moving. Flexible arm, after fixing it tightly in this way, we take this flexible arm and place it into the slot on the LED ring light like this. This is the switch for the LED ring light. It has 4 buttons. One is on and off, and plus and minus. Another button is mode changing button. If you press the minus button, the ghost blinks down. While pressing the plus button, the light goes up. The center is the mode changing button, which allows us to change the mode to either warm or cool according to the situation, like this. Fit the USB into the adapter like this and turn on the switch. The current flows into the ring light this way. We fit our mobile phone into the mobile holder like this, and after fitting the mobile holder into the ring holder slot, we can take videos as we wish. In this way, we have learned to unbox and assemble the 10-inch LED ring light with the Tigott 7 feet tripod. With this setup, you can capture photos and videos professionally. So please subscribe to our channel for more Telugu tech tutorials.